Hello students, welcome to my channel. My today's topic is lines and angles. My dear students, first and foremost, I would like to explain straight line. See here students, these all are kinds of lines. So many kinds are there. In this, just I am explaining today 7 lines. Remaining kinds of lines you will learn in the higher classes. Now, I want to explain you these all kinds of lines. The first one is straight line, a ray, line segment, collinear points, non-collinear points, concurrent lines and intersecting lines. Parallel lines and perpendicular lines you are going to learn in the higher class. That will not come in the basic class. First, I am going to explain you straight line. See here students, always we just write the straight line in this symbol. This symbol of straight line symbolizes that this line can be extended in both the directions. That means according to this symbol, this can be extended in this direction also, and in this direction also we can extend this line, that is straight line. Straight line can be extended in both the directions. So this symbol is for straight line. The next comes a ray. A ray means, see here, the symbol of a ray is, this is symbol of ray. Symbol of ray is, this is symbol of ray. Here see, you can see here, a ray can be originated from one point and it can be extended in one direction. So it can be extended in one direction. This is what a ray. A ray is a line which can be originated from one point and can be extended in another point. That means OA is a ray. It can be extended through A. This is the second line. Then the third one is line segment. Line segment. See here, this is symbol of line segment. Line segment is a part of straight line. See here, for example, if this is a X and Y is a straight line, from this straight line I am just cutting the portion AB. I am just taking AB here. AB is a part of straight line or a segment of a straight line is line segment. Okay. Then the next one is collinear points. See here students, collinear. Collinear points, the name itself is saying that collinear. Collinear. That means suppose like this 3 points are there. When I join these points, example A, B, C are 3 points. If I join these 3 points like this, they have to form a straight line. When I join given 3 points, they must give us a straight line. These points are called as collinear points. Here A, B, C are called as collinear points. Collinear points. When we join the given 3 points, they must give a straight line. Then those 3 points are called as collinear points. Collinear points. Then next comes non-collinear points. Non-collinear means, see here, these are the 4 points, that is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are 4 points. When I join these, I don't get any line here. I don't get. So now these A, B, C, D points are called as non-collinear points. They are called as non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. When we join those 4 given points, we don't get a straight line. So they are called as non-collinear points. Then the next comes concurrent. Concurrent means from the given point, suppose this is a given point, that is O, through this point many lines pass through. See, this is AB and this straight line is CD and this straight line is EF. So this is the given point O. Through the given point O, if so many lines are passing through, from the given point, so many from the given point, so many lines passes through, then these lines are called as concurrent lines. These lines are called as concurrent lines, or 3 or 4 lines passes through a point, given point. 3 or 4 lines pass through a same point, then these lines are called as concurrent lines. 3 or 4 lines pass through the given point, then these lines are called as concurrent lines. Then the last line, that is, they are called as intersecting. What are those? Intersecting means, see, when 2 lines intersect each other. This is point O, A, B, C, D. When 2 lines intersect each other at one point, AB and CD are 2 lines, they are intersecting, they are meeting at one point. Which is that point? At point O. AB and CD are intersecting or meeting or cutting at one point, and these 2 lines are called as intersecting. When 2 lines intersect, you must know this, the angles formed in the opposite direction are equal to each other. Angle COA is equal to angle DOB. These 2 angles are equal. And in the same way, when these 2 lines intersect each other at point O, then angle AOD is equal to angle COB. When 2 lines intersect each other, opposite angles are equal to each other. This property is very important. You must remember this. Yes, students. Already now you watched the kinds of lines. Angles will be continued in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.